As we all know, everyone's been wondering, which of our handheld horns sounds the best? In this video, we're putting them head-to-head, just for you. The compact, the core, and the mighty Pulsefire. All right, first up, the compact. Oh, shit. Despite its small size, my ears are ringing. That's insanely loud. Seriously, I recommend wearing ear protection for this one. Next up, the core. 4 trumpets of different lengths for that rich polyphonic blast. Testing. Oh, wow, that's clearly louder. My ears were not ready for that. Protect your hearing, folks. This beast means business. And finally, the flagship, the Pulsefire. With 2 different trumpet sizes, it delivers a super powerful, deep-toned roar. No comment. That's a train. Absolutely stunning.